For the peer evaluation survey to work, we need to upload a list of students and their peers into Qualtrics as a contacts list. But we also need some way of being able to extract this group membership information out of Canvas. But fortunately, Peer provides us with a very easy way of doing this. So in order to pull out the contacts list, basically what you do is that you go to Stage 2 Survey Launch, create contacts list from group membership. What you would then do is that you would select the unit that you're working with, which in my case is the sandpit. You would choose the group set, and there's only one for me, which is the team project, and then you click on Start Download. And then I'm just going to save this to my desktop, so contactslist.csv. I'll just hit save. So it's thinking for a bit. And then if we actually have a look inside this file here, what you'll see is that it's basically, just a list of the students and also the people that are in their group. And so we're going to upload this information into Qualtrics. So the way that we do that is that we go into Qualtrics. So you go to the main menu up in the top left hand corner and you go to Directories, and it'll come up with this thing called Lists. We're going to click on Create a List, and we're going to call this name Peer Evaluation Demo. Click on Confirm. You can call it whatever you like. And then the way that we're going to do this is we're going to click on Upload a File. I'm going to select a file just from over here. So I'm going to go to my desktop. I'm going to choose the contactslist.csv file, click on Open, and then press Next. And then, what you'll see is all this information, coming up here, and so that's looking quite good. So we click on Upload the File. So it may take a little while, but it should be done in about a minute or so. Now, once that's actually been completed, what we then have to do is that we have to get Qualtrics to generate a unique identification link to take them into the peer evaluation survey, so that each student can actually be paired up with their peers' data. So the way that we do that is that we first of all go back to Home, and we're going to go into our peer evaluation survey over here, and then we go into Distributions, and so we click on this option over here, Personal Links, and we're going to generate links. Now what we're going to do is that we're going to select the contact list that we just created. So that should be under My Library Peer Evaluation Demo, and then we're just going to select the entire contact list. I usually leave the link to expire in 60 days, but you could make it longer if you wanted to. And then you click on Generate Links. And Qualtrics thinks for a little bit. And then what Qualtrics will actually do is that it will automatically start downloading this file onto your computer, which is the export EMD and this big code over here. If you open up this file, this will actually show you a list of all of the students there, and it will also show you that each student now actually has a unique link to get into the survey. And what I'm going to be showing you in the next step is to actually how to use Peer to send out that unique link to each one of the students in this list.